sound and start some meow. Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am 8 years old and now today I am going to show you the game of the cat and mouse. Now we will go to the sprite option. The sprite option is where you get all the sprites. We will choose the mouse first. Then we will choose the cat. Then we will change their sizes. We have to make the mouse 70 and the cat 80. You can choose any backdrop you want. I will choose light. I feel this color is not good. I will change the color. You can change the color by going to stage. I feel this color is good. Let's go to the codings pack. And let's do the coding for the mouse. Then we will put when the green flag is clicked. When you press the green flag, the game will begin. Then let's add a forever and then a if then. Then let's go to operators and let's put the greater than. You have to change the 50 to 20. And here you have to go to the sensing and you have to put the distance to mouse pointer. When the distance to mouse pointer is greater than 20, only it will follow. Otherwise, it will stay in the same place. Now, let's go to motion. Let's get the go to position. Let's choose mouse pointer. Then, let's choose move 10 steps. Let's make it 25. Wait 1 second. You have to change it to 0.005 seconds. Now let's make it when green flag is clicked forever and then the if then block. And then you have to go to sensing again and you have to add touching mouse pointer. Then you have to add cat 2. Then it should say eek. So you have to add this and you have to make it like eek. Now the mouse coding is done. Let's go to the cat coding. For here, we again choose when the green flag is clicked, you have to add the forever block. Then you have to go to the motion and you have to add point towards the mouse one. Then it should move only 3 steps. You have to go to the cat 2 again and you have to put the green flag. Then forever and if then. Then you have to go to sensing again and you have to take the touching. Then you have to take the mouse one. Then you have to take sound and start some meow. Meow too. Now it's done. Now the codings and the backdrop and the sprites are done. Let's play it. See how is it running. Oh no! Oh no! The cat is catching. Now the the game is done because the cat has caught the mouse.